respected dignitaries, guests, and my dear participants. Myself, Harish Trivedi, Faculty of Commerce, DNP Arts and Commerce College at DISA from Gujarat. Now, I am presenting my research article on conceptual framework of e-banking in India and consumer satisfaction. Next slide. I have shown my abstract in brief. The successful implementation of e-banking service can only be said when the customers need to have sufficient awareness about it. For this purpose, a detailed perception and knowledge of e-banking services have been presented in this study, which will be very useful to the consumer side and the banking enterprise sector side. Also, it is certain that the use of e-banking services will increase in the future and more research will be required in this sector. Next slide. I have shown here e-banking definitions which have been given by Barron's Dictionary in 2006. A form of banking where funds are transferred through an exchange of electronic signals between financial institutions rather than an exchange of cash, checks, or other negotiable instruments also. Next slide. Objective of the study. I have shown here brief objectives to study for increased awareness of several e-banking services amongst customers of India. Second one, to aim that improve and make a better electronic banking services in India. To study the introductory concept of consumer satisfaction in India. Next slide. I have shown here research methodology. I will inform you. This article is totally based on secondary data, and secondary data analysis I have used some articles, research papers, and RBI portals also. Next slide. I have the main points shown in this slide. E-banking services. I have divided e-banking services in two parts. First is products and second is services. Product means we will pay something charge for getting products from by bank, and services is provided by banks to the customers is a free. That means services. Let me see first of all e-banking products. Debit cards we will call in second name is cash card, ATM card, and debit card. Debit card is a e-banking services in the front line of all the banking services, is very useful, and customers also very prefer this banking services. Second is credit card. Credit card, in my views, second name is short-term loan card. Bank provides some short-term loan for stipulated time to the customers. Third one is RTGS and NEFT. RTGS and NEFT is e-banking services we will do during the banking hours in the premises of the bank, and it is a very fast transfer of the money from one account to another account. Next is net banking services. Second name is online banking, digital banking also. Bank provides anywhere, any place, anytime through user ID and password to the customers. Customers now liking this service of e-banking. Next is e-checks. E-checks is now in initial stage in banking sector in India, but always in foreign countries it have been used through soft copy. Customer will prepare a soft copy with scanning signature and then send to bank, and bank will pass and clear this check and transfer to fund to the beneficiary account. E-payments. E-payments is also after demonetization, government told us that try to do cash less transaction, so that number of this type applications e-payments now in market like a Paytm, Google Pay, extra. Next slide. E-banking services, banking app. Most of every leading banks now provide the banking app. All the e-banking services we will operate through one electronic medium. That's name is banking app, like a SBI YONO, Axis Bank. Next one is core banking services, CBS. Banks data connected to all banks data connected to one network medium, electronic network medium. From last 15 years this service is innovative services that is very good for customers. ATM services, SMS alerts, we know very well that after doing the transaction immediately bank provides to us a SMS for sureness about the transaction. E-clearing services, in bulk of checks, salaries, electric bills, this transaction will clear through e-clearing services. Next slide. Benefits I have shown here through e-banking services. Let me see in brief, because presenting time provide to us a stipulated time. The transaction cost will be reduced and profitability will be increased. Reduce the paperwork as well as recorded data in digital form for a long time, maintaining safe. Next slide. Limitations of the banking services. Security and safety are very require a digital transaction by a banking sector. Internet networking is must be necessary for e-banking in India. These are the limitations I have briefly shown here. Next slide. Future of e-banking. Now, new changes and innovations are taking place in the Indian retail banking sector from the last few years. This is much needed and filled by Indians customers, generally customers of technology, technology based banking services are in high demand in every country of the world. Next slide. Conclusion. It is safe to say that e-banking services are on the growth in India in general. Most banks are now offering these services to customers. The service saves customers time, labor, paperwork, but customers can take advantage of it anytime, any place that want. At last, references and thank you.